En geno mara nyakwara mogini Rio makare odichieng' rima tarik 13 dwe mar 12 2024 wan bende Ramogi TV kaka pile koromo saa 7 ekore makare gi weche manyien mag migago. Mokwongo wawinjane mago mawamiyo pek. Jopur niang' ma Migori dwaro mondo kaw okang' ne jotije kambi Sony Sugar mitudo gi kuo matana 7.5 ma sukari e kambino.
There's been quite a number of buildings that have been found to be not fit for occupation, and we've registered a number of building collapses over the past couple of years.
Riwruok jogedo yango na tamalo 60 mag udi ma pacho ka oger maricho kendo nyalo ruombore piny.
Taka kuuliza rais wetu akaweza kuingililia, maana wanaofanya mambo haya ni watu wako katika serikali yake na amewataua, na hawataki kuona wasanii wa Kenya wakiendelea vizuri.
Riwruok matayo chenro mag jothum e pacho ka MCSK seyo serikal ni sando jothum kuom rem chiwo chudo ma siling milion 300 mosechoki. In gi thuolo mar oro ote machok e laini mar ote machok ma en 36000 machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor. Gavana ma Kajiado Joseph Ole Lenku ogolo kwayo mondo sirikal ochuog jokanyo mag duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC e kinde mane gihingo odiechieng' mar piny Kenya noyudo loch kowuok e lwet jowagunda. Joseph Ole Lenku owacho ni piny Kenya koro nitiere akerkeke kaluwore kod onge mar IEBC kendo kuonde moko onge telo matayogi. Lenku koro kwayo mondo jotelo mag siasa otim lokruok madhi tieko liet mag siasa mokwako chugo duol mar IEBC.
Tunajua kutokuwepo kwa ofisi kwa commissioners ya IEBC imekuwa ni changamoto kutimiza maneno ya kutoa constituency kama hiyo yetu ya Ilchamus, na pia tunajua kuna sehemu nyingi labda hawana wabunge kwa sababu moja ama nyingine, na njia ya kutoa boundaries kwa sehemu tofauti ni mpaka kuwe na hiyo commission kwa ofisi. Na kwa hivyo tunawaunga wa Kenya wa nia njema, na tunafurahia kuona viongozi wakikuja pamoja kusemezana. Rais Ruto, Raila Odinga pale, juzi tumeona aliyekuwa rais wetu Uhuru Kenyatta na wengine wakisemezana ili matatizo ya taifa yaweze kutatuliwa kwa njia ambayo Wakenya wote wanasikia kuhusishwa.
Riwruok ma jopur niang' e kaunti ma Migori dwaro mondo jotije 6 mag kambi rego niang' ma Sony mosemaki kitudo kod kuo ma sukari maromo tan 7.55 mane olal e kambino mondo kawnegi okang' mar chik moting'o chwalogi e doho, ka bende gidwaro mondo non buge mag omenda mag kambino chakre chak higa manyien. Higni machien. Jafwambo marwa George Juma nigi ler mathoth.
Nondo mar buge mag omenda mag kambino mar Niang' ma Sony mar dwe mar 4 mar higani ema noyango ne sukari maromo tan 7.55 ni olal e dweno kaluwore kod lipot mogol kod jata tije mar kambini Martin Dima ne olero ni lal mar sukari ne otimore kae no wuon pok nochako ti kaka jata tije mar kambini mar Sony.
So they looked at the merit and they indicated that the staff were adversely mentioned, so they needed to step aside and we needed to progress the disciplinary procedure, including inviting the other government agencies to help unravel the mystery, because we could be bleeding as a result of that, because this one was just an audit for 1 month. What about now for the last several years?
Kalwe kod lipot ma sukari, mabende oseweyo ka jotije mag kambi mar Sony maromo 6 osemaki kod obila kendo ndiko dhogi. Jagoro marwakno mar jopur niang' e kaunti ma Migori Argueng Sadongo wane gidwaro mondo jogo ma itudo kod lal mar sukari okawnegi okang' mar chik.
Miyo kane sirikal otimo maber momako jogi, wan gima wadwaro kaka jopur, to wadwaro ni mondo jogi komakgi to kik wegi kaka iweyoga ji, nikech Kenya ka ji osebedo katimo marach kendo imakogi to ka gigike doho to doho weyogi ne gionge gi makosa. To ka endi yudo ka jopur hinyore nikech sukari mokwalno emomiyo sani endi payment kata chudo mar jopur pod iyudo ka dhi dweche 3 kuonde ma nje waseaye. Magi chandruok ma Sony osebedo ka yudo. Omiyo wagoyo erokamano ne jotelo manotimo tijni mondo mi gima kamano timre.
Ka opogore kod kaone achije gi okang' mar chik, Adongo wacho ni bende ber ka itim nonro matut ne kambini kabuge mag omenda mag kambini bende inono ka ochakre higni machien mondo adieri koro yangre kaka omenda mag kambini osebed ka itiyo godo.
Kendo wagombo ni mondo med tim gi saidi. Nonro med tim kabisa kuonde te e departments te mosebedo ka kelo shida ne kambi mamiyo kambi ok nyal loso ohala. Mar ariyo, auditing onego tim e kambi ka maful. Kendo tim mathara. Eka wabiro ng'eyo ni chandruogegi gibiro nade. Tang'o makelogi. To jok makelogi pod gitie kambi koso osegolgi oko. To jok momakigi wana wacho ni kaka jopur ni kik duokgi e kambi kanyo kendo. Nikech koduokgi pod biro chalo mana biro puonjo joma moko modong' ni kare tijni nyalo tim to kata maki to onge gima tim.
Riwruok ni ma jopur niang' wacho negi chich ni lal mar sukari e kambini nyalo bedo gima nochakre kinde mokalo ka bende gine gigo eko mosemiyo kambini mar Sony koro themba. Tend kambini mar Sony lero ni kuo mar sukari masani nonro mare dhi nyime ok omako mana jotije mag kambini mar Sony to kata mokuom jogo eko mok tie kambini. George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Ng'we ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga laro kom riwruok pinje Afrika AUC medo chope amidimidi ka jodito mopogore mag piny owacho dhi nyime gi pako kit chia mare. Magi biro bang' Beatrice School ma en jatend migawo mar dongruok e alwora mag pinje Afrika ma ugwe kod gwenge ma pacho ka yango kaka Raila Odinga en jal manigi lek motegno ne dongruok mag pinje Afrika kendo jal moikore ne kedo ne gimoro amora ratich oganda jo Afrika. Bende jaod bura manyando Jared Okelo dwaro mondo kit siasa ma Kaluo olokre kolero ni bedo e kweth makwedo sirikal ne ok en gima nosingne oganda Luo kende koyango ni piny Luo koro oti machiegni gi piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza mondo mi giwuogi e koyo magisebedo e higni mathoth.
I hear some people are crying that baba angewacha kuenda huko. Wewe mali unataka enda tu, baba amekubali kusaidia Ruto. Wacha tusaidie Ruto, wewe enda saidia mali ingine ambayo hatujui. We are not going to leave this government now. We have been out there for way too long. And opposition is not an entitlement to the Luo community. Hata sisi tumechoka, wacha tusaidie Ruto kutengeneza serikali hii tupate manufaa ambao wengine wamekuwa wakipata. Na ametuonyesha barabara. Yeye anaenda Afrika kuongoza hii nchi yote 52 na ametuacha Ruto atembee na sisi. Ama unafikiria baba ni mjinga? Baba hezi achia sisi tu kwa misitu. Ametuacha ndani ya serikali. Na tutakaa hapo mpaka 2047.
Juzi wiki jana wakapiga kura, ma-presidents wakapiga kura, wakapatia mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto kuwa chairman yao. Makofi. Hiyo ni kazi ya East Africa Community. Tunaomba sana Mungu aliyeanza na yeye amalizia na baba.
Duol matayo chenro mag jothum e pacho ka MCSK koro oseyo piny owacho kuom sando jothum ka giwacho ni sirikal pok ochiwo kwan omenda maromo milion 300 mosechoki kuom jothum kendo okang' ma kama dhi ataro mar chike ma Thurka. Jakom mar MCSK Lazarus Muli okawo jatend piny William Ruto mondo odonjre kendo neno ni jothum oyudo ratichgi. Koloso e gwenge ma Kaba e kaunti ma Machakos, Muli nochiwo ler ni omenda mosebed kisolo kuom jothum en ratichgi kendo atamalo 30 ma duol mar Kekobo okawo kuomgi pod medo kelo penjo mathoth.
Our regulator anatusumbua na chanzo kikubwa cha kutusumbua ni sababu ya pesa za wasanii ambazo ziko zaidi ya milioni 300 zimekusanywa na zinaingia katika akaunti ya serikali ambayo regulator ndio anaoperate hiyo account. Pesa za wasanii tunataka kuwapatia pale, na tukitaka kuwapatia pesa za wasanii pale, hizo pesa zote wanataka kiwango cha 30% waweze kuchukua ama kunyakua katika hizo pesa. Tunawauliza watachukua hizo pesa kama kina nani, na wao sio CMO, wao wana waimbaji, wanachukua pesa wakalipe nani. Na hiyo maneno tukikataa wanaanza kutusumbua na wanaanza kusumbuana na CEO wetu Bwana Mutua. Nataka kuuliza rais wetu akaweza kuingililia, maana wanaofanya mambo haya ni watu wako katika serikali yake na amewataua, na hawataki kuona wasanii wa Kenya wakiendelea vizuri. Kwa hivyo tungetaka rais uweze kuingililia na pesa za wasanii ambazo ziko katika akaunti za serikali zikaweze kuja tuwapatie wasanii wetu. Serikali sio CMO. In our private entities like ours, it should not be coming and making that kind of false allegations they are making to us.
Gavana ma Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ogolo twak mare mar adek ewi chenro mag kedo gi kute mag ayaki nyaka nodonji e telo. Ole Ntutu onyiso mor mare ewi dok chien mar landruok mag kute mag ayaki e kauntino kowuok e atamalo 2.2 nyaka atamalo 1.8 higani. Gavana osingo ni sirikande dhi gero ute mag thieth 76 ka 33 kuomgi dhi bedo mag klinik to 43 dhi bedo kuonde chiwo thieth ne jotuo mithiedho to dok pacho.
We have also improved infrastructure in previous existing facilities and ensured availability of drugs and other essential medical supplies to all our facilities. Today, I can confirm that the Kenya Medical Training College, Narok campus, has already admitted students following the intervention by my administration. Establishment of 45 community health units, increased number of open defecation free village from 876 to 1,199, and reduced the prevalence of HIV in the county from 2.7 to 1.8. We have also resumed the county ambulance services, which had been discontinued over inherited financial constraints and management issues.
Sirikal osingo arita makare ni jopiny e kaunti ma Narok kod jolimbe mawuok e pinje maoko kalimo bunge mag lee ma Masai Mara e kindeni ma nyasi ma Krismas. Ka giloso e nyasi ma jamhuri manyobagi e kaunti ma Narok, Gavana Patrick Ole Ntutu kod Komishona mar kaunti no Kipkech Lotiatia owacho ni bad migawo mar arita obed akicha e kindegi ma Krismas. Jotelogo bende okwayo jolimbe e kaunti no mondo ti kodgi kanyakla mar neno ni arita ojiw.
Kwa sababu ya mambo ya watalii ambayo iko Mara, na pia wakati huo ndio mnaonanga wananchi wetu wanafuna ngano ama wanafuna mahindi. Unaona wageni wanakuja hapa na ndio tunasikia tuko na insecurity. Wacha nichukue nafasi hii kwa niaba yangu mimi mwenyewe na kwa niaba ya watu ya kaunti ya Narok nishukuru CCC wetu, County Commissioner na timu yako yote kwa sababu ya ile kazi ambayo nyinyi mumeshikana pamoja na county government, na sasa wale wakora tumetoa kwa hii town yetu. Wale watu ambao wamewachwa hapa ni Wakenya ambao wanapenda amani,
na yote ambao ataribu mambo ya amani na watu mali ya watu ashughulikiwe. Tunasema pia, tunaeleza pia walinda salama kwamba usafiri pia iwe imarishwe, hasa hii barabara yetu kutoka Bomet mpaka Narok, kutoka Narok mpaka Mai kule.
Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV akaw yweyo mokwongo e migago to kapok adhi e yweyo ote museoronwa ka wamor gi kaka ukelonwa news kendo Ramogi TV ler ahinya Nyoniang kwa Bwaika ma Shadrack Ogara kawan gi Dismas Ogara kod Mama Damaris Ogara kaeto Elias Otieno wuod kendo be owacho ni rito mbak ndalo onge tabu. Milton nonro tim mapiyo mondo konywa kaka wan jopur masoni Sugar ok wawinj maber. An Harrison Airo kawuok Rinya Awendo kaeto Raro wuod nyasi Jama Binju owacho ni Asembo ni owacho gi jaode Violet Oraro giwinjowa yo makare. Awuor kawuok Nyakach Nyabola School owacho ni sirikal owinjore ochuog IBC nikech jopiny hinyore moloyo to kuonde kaka Ugunja kod mamoko. Machielo bende wacho ni Ramogi mit maratari Mukuru kantiere kod babawa Obembi Ruath ma Mukuru ma Festus Obembi Chogo kawuok Ukuru kaeto Sharon wacho ni en gimoro ahinya neno Ramogi TV. To mogik ni Rio nade ageno no Rio mayom waneno uweyo makare sana nyingi bendo kindiko nyakwa Ramogi akaw yweyo mokwongo kik idhi mabor aduogo bang' thuolo machuok.
Kick off the festivities in Dubai na View Travel. Join our December 13th, 2024 fixed departure and enjoy an exciting half-day city tour, desert safari with dinner, Dow cruise, breakfast, round-trip flights, airport transfers and visa processing included. All these and more in 5 days starting from $1,055 per person sharing. Book now. Limited slots available. Visit viewtravel.com or call and WhatsApp 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Fweny ngima maber e wach Nyasaye kanyakla gi wende majiwo chuny ahinya. E Injili ngima. Chieng' ngeso ka ngeso, kochakore saa 2 okinyi e Ramogi TV, wamiyi sabato maler kendo mamalo moloyo. Kod wende mamoro chuny moa kuom jothum mihero, kendo gi jokwath mapacho ka.
Nyasaye wuoyo kodi kendo wuoyo koda ni kik iluor gimoro nikech an kodi.
Sabato tutapumzika milele yote. E Injili ngima. Ngeso ka ngeso, chakre saa 2 okinyi e Ramogi TV.
Baada ya shabiki kuheshimishwa na shabiki, sasa ni zamu ya kila shabiki kufika Kwale Stadium Jumapili hii tarehe 15 katika fainali ya Rashid Abdalla Super Cup 5th edition kati ya Denmark FC dhidi ya Duma FC kwa hisani ya Shabiki.com. Kutakuwa na burudani babu kubwa kutoka kwa Kiddies the Jembe, Kelechi African, J Melody, Nandi the African Princess, bila kusahau DJ Ali B. Kumbuka, palipo na shabiki hapa kosi shabiki. Tukutane mpirani, soka na burudani.
Sani koro kata pacho kutima ber. Hera ni oken mar konchiel. I know she loves me.
Mano nyiso ni omkar. Natemo matek mondo wachna gima gin gikalie. Mak mana ni ok nonyal chomre gi wachno. Rajviri ng'eni nyithindo go sandre.
E juogno hinyowaga ahinya. To bende en okomiwaga chiemo. To kawuono en oterowa e picnic.
Wan wang'e maber ni nyithindo mane iye kae chandra ahinya. Idwaro kony?
Gidwaro kony mane? Bende in gi ranyisi moro amora?
This holiday season, Citizen Duka na Quickmart tunakuletea Mama Mpenzi Basket na deals kibao. Isitoshe, sasa unachagua kile unataka kurusha kwa basket yako. Zote kwa discount nono. Imagine sugar 2 kgs at 269 from 279. Chapati flour 2 kgs at 139 from 169. Cooking oil 3 liters at 899 from 1060. Basmati rice 2 kg at 699 from 767. 4-pack tissue white at 159 from 186. Bar soap 800 grams at 159 from 200. Dial star 487 star 5 hash to select your item and buy straight from your phone. Once you receive your code, pick up your shopping from any Quickmart supermarket near you. Simple, fast, and super convenient. Other baskets on the offer include Mama Soko, Sherehe, and Daily. Citizen Duka, making your celebrations more sweeter.
Machiegni kendo jawinjo. Riwruok mar rowere mabago romo mag twak kata bunge e East Africa Afrika ma ugwe koro dwaro mondo piny owacho ma pacho ka mondo many thuolo ne rowere mag yudo tije mopogore opogore magilonyie. Ka giloso e kaunti ma Nakuru e romo mar ndalo adek e lalruok kaka inyalo tiyo kod omenda mag piny owacho e bero ngima jo Kenya, ne gikwayo piny owacho mondo ne ni giyawo thuolo e yudo tije ne rowere ma pacho ka. Romo ma kamano okelo kanyakla rowere ma jotelo mawuokie e sekta mopogore opogore kaachiel kod jokanyo mawuokie e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe.
The main duty of this seminar was to see how we are going to incorporate the young people in the decision making, in the government, in the public sector, and also how we can help them also to earn the living. By doing so, we will make sure the youth are settled and we can be able to do very well in the government.
As young people, as we take up these spaces, especially those of us who are leaders in different particular angles, that we can be able to be strategic in our leadership, we can be able to be intentional, and we can be able to, not every time unarusha mawe, sometimes it's good to stand back and understand, is it possible for us to talk with the government, not at the government?
We want to assure them as a representative of government, those ethics of accountability, fairness, the mentoring of our youth, offering strategic leadership in our various coordination laws. We will work with them and support them so that we can give good services to our people as we serve them in government offices.
Jokanyo e sekta ma tuktuk e boma ma Malindi e kaunti ma Kilifi ochako chenro matiyo kod lony manyasani madhi konyo e geng'o midhiero mag nok mar arita e sekta no. Kaluwore kod jakom ma sekta ma tuktuk Vincent Were, giwacho ni okang' ma kamano biro kelo tich mayot e neno ni abiria otiyo kod lony manyasani e timo chudo. Okang' ma kama dhi konyo welo matimo limbe e boma ma kono e tiyo kod mbui kendo geng'o timbe mag mecho e kaunti.
Nimekuja hapa Malindi kushuhudia uzinduaji wa app ambayo itasaidia madereva wetu kuwa na uwezo wa kuitwa kidijitali wakatoa huduma za kubeba abiria. App hii pia tunaona ni jambo la kipekee, manake itatusaidia kwa msaada kwa vitengo vya serikali, hasa upande wa security, kwa uwezo wa app kutambua ni nani aliyeitisha tuktuku na nani anayepeleka tuktuku. Tunaona ni jambo la muhimu sana, manake sasa kuna uwajibikaji katika sekta.
Kupitia True Ride utasaidia sana usalama na hasa pia kusaidia katika watalii, kwa sababu watalii kile kitu wanataka ni uwajibikaji pamoja na usalama. Kwa hivyo kupitia huu mfumo huu wa mtandao, usafiri kwa kutumia mtandao itakuwa rahisi zaidi kama wawekezaji waweze kuweka confidence kwamba tukutuku walizopanda zitawalinda vizuri, watasafiri vizuri na pia watakuwa salama.
Limbe mar kambi mar ong'we yamo ma Safaricom motisi ni Safaricom sambaza furaha pod onyonore e gwenge mag Nam Chumbi. Limbe no winjore ochopie gwenge ma Likoni, Mtongwe, Kwale, Kombani, Msambweni, Ubiza kod Ukunda. Watudore achiel kachiel gi Marian Nyambura mantiere alworano. Labda Marian, ungetufahamisha leo safari ya sambaza furaha imepitia maeneo gani na iwapo watu wamejitokeza kupokea zawadi?
Naam, ama kweli Milton, watu wamejitokeza kwa wingi hii leo katika maeneo hayo mawili uliyoyataja. Tayari wamemaliza msafara huu umezuru maeneo ya Likoni na Kwale, na tayari kwa sasa wamefululiza hadi eneo la Msambweni, ambapo msafara utaendelea tu kusambazia Wakenya furaha katika maeneo ya Msambweni na kisha baadaye Ibiza, eneo la Ukunda. Lakini si furaha tu ambayo nasambaziwa kupitia kwa zawadi pekee, ila pia wanajulishwa mengi zaidi na kuhamasishwa kuhusiana na Safaricom, huki ikisherekea miaka 24 tangu kuanza kwake. Lakini ni kwetu nikizungumza na yule mkurugenzi wa masuala ya mauzo katika Safaricom kwa jina Zizwe Vundla, aweze kutueleza mengi zaidi kuhusiana na hii leo. Tunajua kuwa ni siku mbili tu kabla mtamatishe zoezi hili. Pengine maybe just tell us, have you achieved what you wished to have achieved with this campaign?
Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, we've achieved what we wanted to
what we wanted when we started this campaign. When we turned 24, we were very clear that we are very clear at Safaricom that Kenyans are the ones who built this company. Yeah, it's our company. Safaricom belongs to all of us, and because of that, we wanted to celebrate with Kenyans. We wanted to be out in the ground, wanted to sambaza furaha. Usually when it's your birthday, you receive gifts. We was like, no. Kenyans have made us. Kenyans have been through us. With us, let us give the gift. So to be able to travel around the country, we've been everywhere in partnership with RMS. So to be able to travel the country, sambazaring furaha, seeing how excited people are, the energy, it's like we're building up to Christmas, After what has, I think, been quite a tough year, so to see Kenyans happy, we're very excited about that and very grateful to Kenyans to be able to tell the Safaricom and M-Pesa story.
Okay, maybe you just tell us, looking back or moving forward, you're marking or clocking 25. Safaricom is marking 25 next year. What more can Kenyans expect? And what is your message to Kenyans in general about the services offered at Safaricom?
Okay, so next year is a milestone year for us. M-Pesa turns 18 in March, Safaricom turns 25 in October. So what I can say is that throughout the year, you're going to see us celebrate and bring Kenyans together in a way that demonstrates how everything we do is rooted in transforming lives. We like to think we enable lives. We champion Kenyans. We champion and enable Kenyans. We offer the best products and services, right? So we're going to continue doing that. And in fact, a lot of our products and services, we've also been selling them educating Kenyans about them as we've been on this caravan. So for example, this week we actually launched ZD, which is an investment platform, which is excellent because it allows Kenyans to invest their money for as little as 100 shillings, because generally people think people who invest are these rich people who have bank accounts. No, that everyday Kenya can invest. So it's that sort of product that you can expect to see more from Safaricom and M-Pesa, and just engaging with them in a way that ultimately transforms their lives. Yeah.
Thank you. Vile pia nizungumze na yule kaimu mkuu wa Radio Citizen Tina Ogal, tupe ujumbe kwa Wakenya. Tunajua kuwa kwa ushirikiano leo wametangamana, wale mafans wametangamana na watangazaji wa Radio Citizen na vile Bahari FM. Ujumbe ni gani kwa ujumla?
Ujumbe Merian ni ule tu wa kusambaza furaha na Safaricom hii Krisi, na tukiwaelezea wasikilizaji vile mashabiki wa Radio Citizen Chemichemi ya Kweli na Bahari FM na wale ambao ni wateja wa kampuni ya Safaricom kuwa wawe pia chonjo pia msimu na wakati huu. Maana msimu wa Christmas ndio unapata matapeli wapo wengi, na baadhi ya ujumbe ambao tunawapatia ni kuwa tafadhali kuwa chonjo na uangalie ile nambari ambayo inakupigia simu, kwa sababu kuna wengi ambao wametapeliwa na watazidi kutapeliwa kama hawatasikia ujumbe ambao Safaricom wanasambaza kote nchini Kenya ya kukaa chonjo na kuhakikisha kuwa wanajua zile nambari ambazo zinastahili zile zinawasiliana na wao. Lakini pia kama umegundua katika msafara huu tumekuwa tukisembea na kampuni ya Safaricom wakipata kuzindua zile customer care offices, maduka yao ya kuhakikisha kuwa wateja wao wanapata kuhudumiwa, ambapo hata wewe mwenyewe kama ni mteja na unasikiza sasa hivi kutazama ni kuwa kila town ambao tumetembea wamezindua ofisi yao ambayo inashughulikia maslahi ya mteja wa Safaricom. Kama ungependa labda kutoka Katululu uingie smartphone, pale unapata kuelezewa namna ya kuweza kulipa mdogo na uwe katika mtandao wa kisasa ndugu yangu. Vile ukitaka kujua zaidi pia kuhusu zile offers ambazo Safaricom wako nazo na namna kuweza kuimarisha pia mawasiliano yako, unatembelea ofisi hizo za huduma bora na kupata huduma hata zaidi ya kuboresha mawasiliano yako pia. Pia tumekuwa na offers zile za ajabu za kipekee kama vile Tunukiwa, ambapo ni Christmas. Unataka kupigia labda jamaa na marafiki, Tunukiwa is a place to be. Kama ni data, kama ni talk time ndugu yangu utapata na kuzungumza kwa muda mrefu. Alafu sasa pia tuna burudani, mbuzi, tuko nao tunatoa kwa wananchi, tuna kuku kibao, tuna airtime, kofia, t-shirts, leso. Tunapamba tu yule mara jitokeza kulaki msafara huu wa kipekee wa kusambaza furaha na Safaricom msimu wa Krisi. Yes.
Shukran. Basi vile tuna tayari mkazi mmoja ambaye tayari ashasambaziwa furaha, kona kuku hapa. Tueleze ukianza na jina lako kwa kujitaja, ueleze hii leo msimu wako wa Krismasi umeanza rasmi hii leo ama vipi?
Kwa majina naitwa Robert Mbogo Mgazia. Mimi ni mkazi wa Kwale. Na furaha sana kwa sambaza furaha ya Safaricom ambayo imeweza kunitunuku na kuku. Sikuwa natarajia kama nitapata, lakini nimekuja kwa imani na naona nimepata kuku huyu wa Krismasi. Na nina furaha pia familia yangu naona itajumuika pamoja wakati wa Krismasi hii, maana si mbali, ni siku chache tu ndio zimesalia kuweza kufika. So mimi ningependa kuwahimiza watu waweze kutumia mtandao wa Safaricom kwa huduma zao za kila siku.
Kwa hivyo umesema hutakula kuku hii leo?
Hii kuku sitaila leo, nitajumuika na familia yangu siku ya Krismasi.
Sawa, shukrani. Milton, tayari hapa kuna mkazi mmoja iko sawa. Kuna tayari mkazi mmoja amesema kuwa atasubiri kuku hiyo ataikula siku ya Krismasi. Kwa hivyo sijui kama pia wewe umesambaziwa furaha ama bado.
Zawadi, uniletee kuku moja angalau niweze kufurahia sikukuu ya Krismasi, Marian. Asante sana Marian, tumekupokea kwa njia iliyo sanifu kabisa na hivi sasa tunaendelea. Manone Marian Nyambura chelka chelko ka do adna mchumbi kocha kano kelonwa report ewi sambaza furaha. Kawadhi nyime en romo mar duol majotelo makelo kanyakla jota chenro mag budget kod ochumi IBEC ochopo e winjruok maneno ni pok madhi e counties ochiw ma onge ywaruok. Maeri biro kaluwore gi onge mar winjruok mosebedo e kind governors to gi jaga budget e pacho ka Dr. Margaret Nyakango kaluwore ni noyawo aguche modhuro mag bengi matayo kata mitiyo gode omenda mag osuru mochoki e dongruoge mag counties. Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki owacho ni ywaruok moro amora mawuok e kind sirkal mamalo kod mag counties en ataro mar dwaro mar katiba kendo othiro chenro mag dongruok n'oganda.
We cannot have a situation where counties and county governments receive money, they're unable to spend it. But on the other hand, we must insist that accountability is for all of us. And therefore, we must have a way of bridging the gap between the viewpoints by the Council of Governors and the Controller of Budget to make sure that we assist both institutions, the COB and the COG, to deliver on their mandate. No institution has a right to frustrate the other. We have had an issue of timely disbursement of county resources. I am informed by the CS for the National Treasury. Some progress has been made. I'm told November is still outstanding, and I am also told that next week, November, will be sorted out so that we try and regularize the delays.
Obila e kaunti ma Nakuru osechako timo nonro kaluwore gi nek mar jal moro manopuk kuome acid. Maling'ling lero ni Elijah Matoke nopuk acid kuome tok ywaro kinde kod minode. Kochopo sani, achije ariyo kamoting'o minode kod wuode odinegi kapod obila dhi nyime gi timo nonro. Jafwambo marwa Efi Nyakidi miyowa lero.
Ma e dala Elijah Matoke. Kuyo neno e wenge jogo manika, ranyisi mar masira manotimore. Pien mag nindo bende nenore kowang'. Kaluwore gi joneno, Elijah Matoke nopuk kuome acid tok ywaruok kod minode. Bernard Gishoro, achiel kuom jirende, lero ni Matoke kod minode osedak kamoro achiel kuom higni 3, kende higni goeko giseyware ahinya.
Hii mapenzi yao haikuwa mapenzi ya mapenzi, ilikuwa mapenzi ya pesa. So nimekuja nikisolve issues kwa hizi nyumba several times. Kwa wakati mwingine nimekuja huku ati kama Matoke hana pesa, Matoke si mwanaume wa nyumba.
Moko kuom jirende bende lero ni giko ywaruok makamano okelo masira mapodo makodhoge.
Hiyo siku asubuhi kama nimelala kwangu juu mlango yangu na yake ni next. So nikiwa nimelala kwangu nasikia nduru. Nikasikia woi nisaidieni. Ya kwanza nika-assume kwa sikuona kama inaweza kuwa jambo. Ya pili bado inaendelea kupersist. Ya tatu nikasema hapana. Si nikatoka tu hivyo venye nilikuwa kufika kwa nyumba, mimi nikafunua tu curtain. Nikapata Matoke amekaa hapo kwa kiti. Na kuangalia nikaona kabisa alikuwa pink. So mimi nikapanic kabisa, nikauliza hao watoto, "Maina nini mmefanyia baba yenu?" Wakaniambia, "Hatujui nani amemwagilia dada acid."
Ilikuwa around 6:40 nikiwa kwangu Kericho, naishi Kericho. Nikashtuka, sikuambiwa ni nini. Nikaambiwa tu, "Ebu kimbia umeongea na dadi." That was my uncle. Umeongea na dadi? Nikamwambia mimi dadi niliongea naye jana mchana. Akaniambia, "Ebu kimbia ni kama mambo si mazuri." Babangu alikuwa anaumia. Kusema tu kweli amekufa kifo ya uchungu. Kila siku akiniambia, "My daughter, my daughter na anaita ndugu yangu, my son Mark, munishike mkono. The last word yenye nimetoka na hospitali ndio age hiyo usiku. Nishikeni mkono mnipeleke nyumbani. Siko ninajua ni nyumbani gani anaongelelea.
Anyuola mar Matoke koro dwaro mondo miyo yud ratiche ka obila ma e gwengego koro timo nonro e wi nek makama. Kochopo sani, minode kachiel kod wuode Godono Mutawa odinnegi e tesend obila.
A wife and a son to one Matoke miner, a Kisii male adult aged 52 years, was doused with the substance we suspect could be sulfuric acid. And he got extensive burns on the hand and the chest, and he was rushed to PGH hospital where he was admitted. Unfortunately, yesterday at around noon, he succumbed to the injuries, and we've already arrested the wife and the son, and they're in custody helping us with the investigations. And once investigations are complete, we are going to arraign them in court with the offense of murder.
Efinyakidi, Ramogi TV.
Wageno ni gibiro yudo ratiro margi en tho malit ahinya ka wadhi nyime ni jokanyo marango weche mag alwora ogolo siem ne jodak e kaunti ma Nandi kik kethi kuonde ma pi wuokie. Giwacho ni jodago osebedo ka chiwo arita maber ne kuonde ma pi wuokie kendo gitiyo kodgi e yo ma ok ni kare. Giyango ni kata obedo ni kaunti no nitiere gi kuonde mopogore opogore ma pi wuokie kama oting'o aore, yewni kaachiel kod kisima, kuonde ma pi wuokie koro iketho kaluwore gi jodak makono tiyo kodgi e yo marach kendo ok gichiwo arita maber. Kata kamano jodago koro ikwayo mondo ti gi yore mopogore kendo gidhi mbele gi timo pur mar cham kaka pidho yath mar matunda to gi pidho kich kaka yore madhi konyo e rito kuonde ma pi wuokie kendo kedo gi midhiero mikelo gi lokruok mar kor lwasi.
We emphasize to our communities that the water comes from the catchment. It doesn't come from the tap. So we are taking the sensitization programs to the communities because the project has three components. The first component is on awareness creation, and we do advocacy programs across the catchment where we sensitize our communities on the importance of catchment protection. The second component is on knowledge sharing, where we will have to build capacities for our communities within the sub-catchment together with the stakeholders.
We realize that what has been happening through farming activities, people have encroached what had been set aside as a wetland or swamps and planted and grew some crops. So because of this, we want to do it this financial year. We want to restore at least 10. And progressively every year, we want to see to it that we succeed in restoration of swamps and wetlands.
Jogo manie sekta ma limbe kod ohala e kaunti ma Mombasa koni thoth magawa mani kono dich kaluwore gi kwan welo mathoth matimo limbe Mombasa to chutho jood bura mawuok e pinje Afrika ma ugwe madhi nyime kod tuke mopogore Mombasa. Kanoloso e nyasi mar moko taya mar yiend Christmas, apisa maduong' e migawo mar limbe kod ohala Pauline Oginga noko ni otende mathoth sani osechope kwan atamalo 100, gino makoro kelo yuto kod buonjo ne jogo manie sekta no. Bende nomedo wacho ni gitemo gayo wach mar dhung'ruok mar nyamburko e chuny bomano ka kwan mathoth mag welo kaachiel gi weg ohala bende jiwo jotend arita mondo omed jiwo arita Mombasa. Piem mar tukego gikone okelo dhano mohewo 3,000 kanyakla.
We are anticipating economically the county must have at least grown in terms of dollars, coolers, whatever currency that the wananchi has brought home. For us, we are requesting residents, please, let's treat these visitors with caution. If we light the Christmas light, remember, be a candle that is lighting other people's candles as well. So I wish you well during this festive season. For those who will be traveling, drive safely. For those who will be celebrating around, don't overspeed. Don't drive carelessly along the road.
We welcome everybody down to Mombasa. We welcome them for Christmas. We have a fantastic theme for this Christmas, which is called the Tribal Safari, where we'll be experiencing all cuisines of Africa to share with our guests. And also we have curated extremely well sought out city tours through the ocean. There's nothing like a city tour through the sea. Not through the walking, but through the sea. You get to see the history of Mombasa and the culture of the people, as well as experience the street food that is Mombasa. I think for the city of Mombasa, what we require the most is more lighting, and as well as just security in general, to ensure that all our guests that are coming in during this period of season, and this during period of celebration, all have a lovely experience of the nightlife and of the day life as well.
Apisa magobila Yoli Muru ondhi achije mokariyo mitudo gi ketho waya matudo mbui kata fiber optics ya apaya James Gishuru Rironi kochomo boma ma Naivasha. Kalure kod komanda mar obila ma Limuru sub-county Mary Gashie owacho na achije ariyogo ochwale nyimdo ma Limuru kitudogi kod weyo chiro magwenge go emudho tok chodo weinigo. Jalup Commissioner ma Limuru sub-county Charles Mukere bende owacho ni weinigo mabor gi romo kilomita 15 osebedo ka konyo johala masani koro dong kamarach.
Maria Wema waliweza kutuelezea kwamba kuna wengine walikuwa kule chini, na tukafaulu kuwashika wawili ambao walipelekwa kotini na tayari wanashughulikiwa. Lakini tumefanya mkutano na watu ya ICT kutoka Nairobi ambao tumesikizana vile tutakavyokuwa tukifanya kazi, na tumewaambia machifu wetu na raia wengine wahamasishe watu ya kwamba wakiona mtu yeyote ambaye anafanya kazi siku ambayo si rasmi, wawe wanauliza ni ajitambulishe. Hata hivyo tumesema wanaweza kutupigia simu ili tuweze kuwashughulikia. Watu hawa mpaka wako na nguo rasmi, wameandika mgongoni maandishi ya ICT, ndio watu wafikiria kwamba ni wafanyakazi wa shirika, na sio hivyo, ni walagai tu, bali tunataka tujue wanazipeleka wapi. Baadhi ya hizi nyaya ambazo zinaibiwa hazipatikani nchini humu walivyotuelezea. Kwa hivyo lazima kuwe na watu fulani ambao wanaleta na gari, wanafanya kazi hiyo na kuwabeba na kuwapeleka.
Lamo makende otimne nyathi matin Neema Apele ma en nyathi achiel kuom jotije ma kambi Royal Media Services Tony Owuori mong'ere gi nying mar Anelka. Lamo no otime kanisa mar Maxwell SDA Church kendo yuore ganyuola, wede kod osiepe kod jotelo matiyo gi Tony gi minode. Mosenindo Neema nyicha nowito ngimane bang' tuore aming'a kendo ne omiyo obede osiptal kuom dweche 8.
I want to thank everyone who's been able to support us throughout the year, more particularly the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Royal Media Services, my friends who really supported me without me asking for support. You filled my cup, you filled the gap that...
Ukiangalia mtoto mwenyewe, she's a fighter, and then you console yourself, you really need to fight with her, and you get the encouragement that you really need to carry on, and hope that no matter how dark the night is, there will be some light.
We will continue working with you and supporting you as you continue with the healing journey. We know it will take time, but God, who is able, will take you through step by step.
You are a wonderful worker, a wonderful colleague, not only like a colleague but a friend, and therefore we are with you during this time. Pole sana from all the others. We carry a lot of love from them. We are just a representation of the many.
Timo Mosenya ne Tony Anelka ma bende koma gi kome omakore e apisi achiel kama watiye. Mosenya Tony Anelka. Jo Kenya ochiwo paro mopogore opogore kaluwore gi chenro mar sirikal matero jo Kenya maonge tich to nigi lony e pinje ma oko. Sirikal osebedo ka jiwo rowere ma pacho ka mondo okaw thuolo mag tich mayudore e pinje mamoko mondo konygi kendo ger ochumi ma pacho ka, wach ma jopiny moko osebedo ka kwedo mokalo. Jafwambo marwa Cynthia Onyango miyo waler.
Thor wach mar nyasi mar Jamhuri ma higani en yango chenro kod thuolo mag tije. Kata kamano, moko kuom jopiny pod nenore kama ok osiro paro mar sirikal mar kelo chenro mar tije andika ma itere jopiny e pinje maoko.
Mbesewa iyudo ka moko to kunendo nitiere challenges moko mang'eny konendo. Ko wambe samoro wanyalo bedo gi gombo mar dhi konendo. To kaluwore ga achiel ariyo moko ma waneno, wabedo gi samuoyo mar dhi konendo.
Wewe umeenda pale technical umefanya kwa mfano civil engineering. Alafu unabwenda Qatar ama Saudi Arabia ukue house girl ama ukue watchman. Does it make sense, honestly speaking?
Moko kuom jopiny bende pod ni kod luoro e wi arita mar jogo ma itero dhi tiyo e pinje maoko.
Ang'o miyo jok ma oko puodhigi ema kawo ji tero kucho chonde, kae to bang'i winjo kiywak ni ang'o ni jowa to kucho mondo wasol negi pesa mondo kata kik ng'ad negi buchne.
Kaluwore kod japuonj Kennedy Odhiambo, owacho ni dibed makare mondo mbetre mar Kenya ukaw ting' mareno ni okoroch ratich jo Kenya mamanyo tije e pinje maoko.
Ng'ede wan gi jok ma represent wa kocha, ambassadors nitiere kucho, joma tiye embassy centers. Wanyalo tiyo kodgi mondo mi ng'ika gikonyo, gi support, gikonyo, gimiyo security ne jogi eko. Kendo ng'iyo welfare seche midhi kendo kintiere kuno ting'i maber.
To ne jo Kenya mamoko, ma en chenro makare magiwacho ni biro konyo jogo madang'ni kamanyo thuolo makamago.
Kaka wa youth waisomo kendo pachwa ler, tinwang'o gima wasomo seche moko kwanya yude Kenya ka. Koro ka sirikal nyalo bedo gi paro mar konyowa kawo nyithindo matere pinje maoko, ka nyalo konyo mondo wayud job opportunity, mondo wanyalo develop ourselves, mondo dongruok obedie.
Cynthia Onyango, Ramogi TV.
This Christmas, Mama Soko Basket is making your holiday shopping easy, healthy, and super affordable with fresh veggies you love. And the best part, you get to select the items that you want in your basket. Onions 1 kg at only 59 shillings, Skuma Wiki at just 20 shillings, spinach at just 20 shillings. But that's not all. There are other amazing baskets on offer this Christmas, like Mama Mpenzi basket for all your festive essentials, Sherehe basket to get the party started, daily basket for all your daily lunch offers. Dial *487*5# and select your items and buy straight from your phone. You'll get a code sent to your phone, then pick up your fresh goodies from any Quickmart supermarket near you. Super easy, fast, and so convenient.
Familia yote come through Chris kwani?
Chaos.
Hichi imeisha tena.
Si unaona, watu wanakula sana na hawashibi.
Mimi ni Njeri, jirani wa Auntie Beatrice. Lazima kuna wageni huku umepangia.
Nguo chafu zinaongezeka tu.
Hakuna kupumzika maze.
We are hungry.
Don't worry, we've got you. Enjoy festive season offers on a whole range of Kappa products. Hayawi mwishowe huwa. Mkondo wa mwisho wa Safaricom Sambaza Furaha Caravan twaelekea mwambao wa pwani. Ni Safaricom Sambaza Furaha Coast Edition kuanzia tarehe 12 hadi tarehe 16 Disemba, ambapo utapata kujumuika na watangazaji wa Bahari FM, Emma Marevu, Pascal Shanga na Lukman Mahmud, na wenzetu kutoka Radio Citizen, Vincent Atea, Munai General, Tina Ogal, QT, Willy M. Tuva na Mwala. Kilele cha shamra hizi tarehe 15. Msafara wa Safaricom Sambaza Furaha Caravan utaanzia Gede moja kwa moja hadi Pirates Public Beach na mwishowe Mama Ngina Waterfront. Tutakuwa na zawadi kem kama vile mbuzi, kuku, simu na ofa speciali kutoka Safaricom, pamoja na burudani kutoka kwa wasanii kama vile Susumila na Dogo Richi. Usikose shamra za Safaricom Sambaza Furaha Caravan Coast Edition kwa ushirikiano na Royal Media Services. Looking for thrills? Experience the excitement of gaming with Pata Pata. Play, win, repeat. Cheza games kali kama Vieta, Ninko na Mines kwa platform yetu mpya. Sign up now and get up to 200% Karibu bonus on your first deposit to kickstart your winning streak. Feel the adrenaline as you play and win on Kenya's most exciting platform. Ni rahisi. Register, play, and experience the thrill of every win. Visit patapata.com now and play, win, repeat. Not for persons under the age of 18. Authorized and regulated by BCLB 447.
Hey, Park Road, Macaron Gift. Kidwaro wenda Maruta Keloni, to this star 860 star 419 hash. Parenia, Ramogi TV, Enod Joel Duto.